Hey, this is Stick with Dave, and today I have a beautiful RV for you. It's a 2025 Rockwood 8339Fk. So it's got opposing slides in the very front. This is the front right up here. So you're going to get your recliners, awesome table and chairs, front kitchen. Look at this island, huge fridge. This unit's getting ready to go to the RV park, so trying to rush through this kind of for you, but it is TV is up right there. A nice little table area here. This makes out to a bed. This has 3 ACs, 3 13.5s. So just a beautiful unit. So back to the back here, nice big shower stall. I'll have all the specs down below. They put a queen size bed in this one, the factory. Usually there's a king. They wanted to be able to get around the bed nicely and easily. So now this right here, this closet is prepped for one of those combo washer and dryers. And then you got this side here for closet area. Nice little dresser drawers, beautiful windows, just a gorgeous unit. This is the 8339Fk Rockwood, and it is one beautiful unit to check out. Thanks again for watching. Please hit like and subscribe. Bye.